In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter unemployment income from Form 1099-G in TurboTax. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to TurboTax. Once you're there, sign into your account so you can access your current tax return. Make sure you're using the correct account before moving forward, especially if you've created more than one account in the past. After you've signed in, wait for your return to fully load so all of the menu options are available. Next, look for the Income and Expenses section. This is where TurboTax organizes the different types of income you may need to report on your tax return. Click into Income and Expenses to continue. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal, especially if your return already includes other tax documents. Once you're in that section, scroll down until you find Unemployment and Paid Family Leave, which is associated with Form 1099-G. This form is commonly used to report unemployment compensation and, in some cases, certain state-issued paid family leave benefits. Take your time here and make sure you choose the correct category, since TurboTax may list several income types on the same page. When you locate unemployment and paid family leave, click Start. This will open the area where you can enter the information from your Form 1099-G. Have the form in front of you so you can copy the details carefully and avoid data entry mistakes. You'll then enter the name of the state agency exactly as it appears on the form. After that, enter the total payment amount reported on the 1099-G. This is the amount of unemployment compensation or related benefit that was paid to you during the tax year. Then enter any federal or state tax withholding amounts shown on the form, if applicable. Be especially careful with decimal points and number placement, since even a small typo can affect your return. As you enter everything, compare each field with your form before continuing. Accuracy is important here because TurboTax uses this information to calculate your taxable income and any withholding credits correctly. Once all the information has been entered, review the screen for errors before moving on. That's it. You've successfully entered your Form 1099-G information in TurboTax.